Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the easy, high-impact items. Log out of Roblox and clear the app or browser cache because stale tokens often cause a 400. Once done, switch to a different network or use mobile data to rule out ISP or NAT problems, and make sure your account is active and email verified. Invalid or unverified sessions can trigger malformed requests. These steps remove common causes fast and prepare you for deeper fixes if the error persists. Now you tackle the middle, more detailed fixes. Reinstall the Roblox app or clear app data to force creation of new authentication tokens because corrupted local storage yields 400 errors. Next, reset browser cookies and sign back in to refresh session headers. Disable any VPN, proxy, or browser extensions that modify requests. These change headers and payloads and can produce malformed requests. By rebuilding tokens and removing intermediaries, you eliminate corrupted clients. Finish with final verification. Confirm your system clock is correct and flush the DNS cache because time skew or DNS corruption can create request mismatches. Try signing in from another device to isolate whether the issue is client or account related. If the error persists, gather screenshots, exact steps to reproduce, timestamps, and the network you used. Then report to Roblox support. If nothing works, one key tip: toggle DNS to a public resolver like 1.1.1.1 to bypass local DNS problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.